welcome back with another brand new episode of Mortal Kombat 1. And as you may know from the title, in this video I'm going to talk about Sektor. In particular, well, he received some buff recently, which makes him a really viable cameo for Ashrah. And in this video I'm going to discuss about some techs, strategies, etc. And I'm going to also put some clips attached to it. For every combo that you see, there's going to be attached in the screen the inputs that I made, and then I'm going to put it in slow motion, so you may also want to follow along. And before we begin, let me demonstrate to you why Sektor now throw combos. So yeah, now let's begin. First thing first, let's discuss about the combos. So she has her combo from forward 2. As you see, the rocket hits, and then I can extend. But if you want, for example, to go for a setup, and while the rocket hits, I can change it to dark stance. Now, she can do it also from 1 to 2, or from back free, photo free, and etc. And you also have some setup. You can end up your combo with this, and then if they crouch block, you are going to get them. Also, another thing that is really cool, it's, let's say, if they try to up block the rocket, you can do the following. So it will combo, but you need to timing a little bit. See? Another really interesting thing that she has is that she can combo from her back free, and she can do the following. Sorry. Into another rocket, and it can be a setup. Or you can do this, and then you call the rocket. So this is also an option. Also, one thing that I forgot to mention is that with this, you can also combo it and get and use your Feather Blow, which is really amazing. Also, we have the throw combos. And we can end it up with an O key. For this one, to make it easier, just press the down and the cameo assist button. Another cool setup is this. Combo that allows you to get a lot of chip damage. Let's say if you want to close the round, so it's something like this. But you need to call it during the 2-2. Yeah, now it's safe. So it's 1-2-2, and during the middle of 1-2-2, you call Sektor. So the rocket will land as soon as I finish my string. Another cool thing that I would like to showcase you, it's the dark stance setup, because people are afraid of rockets. You can do something like this, or let's say we put it to random attack, yeah. So what you call it? You can already go for a dark stance. So it's also a good thing to have it in your mind if you want to swap to dark stance, so the rocket will cover you and you'll also have time to go for it. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I would like to give a special thanks to Seraphis, who I also learned some text with it. I'll put his channel into the description. If you managed to make it to the end of this video, please comment down below Ashrah, or let me know what tech did you know or you did not know. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. I'm Sektor, and peace.